Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to fix a model makeup. First we will use frequency separation. We very carefully blur the areas of the eyes and so that skin where there is no paint is filled. Then, with the help of the stamp, we process the areas of the skin where the skin looks not good, and we need just even out the skin tone where the makeup is done. Then we make the stripes in the eyes more clear, more sharpened, add a volume through the dodge and burn tool, and clean the makeup line in general. This is the result. Thank you for watching. If you need to retouch the photos, contact me via direct.